Talkpal AI versus ChatGPT. If you're learning a new language or just curious about AI chat tools, you might have come across Talkpal AI and ChatGPT. They both use artificial intelligence to chat with you, but they're built for very different goals. So let's look at what they are and how they compare. Let's start off with ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is a general purpose AI chatbot made by OpenAI. You could talk to it about pretty much anything: math, writing, coding, history, planning a day, or just a casual conversation. It's like a super smart assistant that can help with tons of tasks. You type in a message and it gives you a thoughtful response in seconds. But even though ChatGPT is powerful, it's not focused on just one thing. It can help with language learning, but that's not its main job. It won't guide you through lessons or correct your pronunciation like a real language tutor would. Now, let's talk about Talkpal AI. Alright, so Talkpal AI is designed specifically for language learners. It uses AI to help you practice real conversations in the language you're learning, like Spanish, French, German, or many others. It's more like a virtual speaking partner or tutor. You could practice writing or even speaking, and Talkpal will respond like a native speaker. What makes Talkpal different is how it guides the learning process. It focuses on conversations, vocabulary, grammar, and sometimes even listening skills. It's designed to help you improve your language step by step, not just aimlessly. So, which one should you use? So, if you're looking for a tool to practice speaking a new language, or you want something close to a tutor and that can also correct and guide your learning, Talkpal AI is the better choice. But if you want a more flexible all-in-one AI assistant, something that can help with language learning but can also do 100 other things, then ChatGPT is a great option. The good news though, you can use both Talkpal when you're focused on language learning and ChatGPT when you need help with pretty much anything else.